Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frame adwowa search me
A+. For Jimmy so free parliament one A+. For Jimmy so free parliament ho. What Jimmy Dodo A+, what Jimmy Dodo. For Jimmy so free parliament one. Unim the constitution ye wo entrenched position wo mo parliament ain't mean take. Unim say we entrenched position e wo. Say your mama beti me akọ empre dudu bia ope. What Jimmy Dodo A+, what Jimmy Dodo asiampani be kra na ye to aba mo saa na. Eh for the to aba ma o. Eh for the to aba ma A+. What Jimmy Dodo constitution wo say entrenched position wo parliament ain't mean take. E just say referendum. What Jimmy Dodo me kura me guta degree kura minim. What Jimmy Dodo kwasia be kura na ato aba ma o kwasia fo be na ato aba ma o go no ma o gu Ghana ni ma sesa na. Unim the constitution entrenched position wo parliament ain't mean take. We say your mama betima compare do be ope. Stupid fool. My friend be on TikTok, I friend is Sandy Bay say Bravo de ya men di o matem. O ma Jimmy o say di o matem Sandra. O ma Jimmy. Sandy o say di o matem. O ma Jimmy. A+ Jimmy Dodo. Constitution o entrenched position wo parliament ain't mean take. Just say referendum. No what ni ignorant. Akotena UTV and a UTV for also journalists le go so ma bon o mu sua de enti obi abekan ya na o mo sere makofa gewe kokko we abetena no wa bon don't me can be bench A+. Say A+ de o kan enim saa for krani.
That's a group of company. My name is Kasakakra. Especially who Father Dixon. I said, I say, with me out there. Some say, come and say, can go to my pamu. What's to say about pamu? Sunday, so Sunday, we are so bad. I said, with me out there too much. Even United Showbiz. More pam na mama brown. I went to tell me show. No, if I been up by your NDC, no, Sanfi, NDC station TV3. Or but done ho, podcast show. Makwasia Bemaya, or Kasana, no pity, and you didn't want to show A+ and the YMP. And the Buddha got proof we are or the Camadina or that thing also. A bit trouble MPP are buying or quiet political. Went to my neck changes, you went to my aunt normal. So, and that at the chance woman as a photo home, Jane as a facility, what for passes your pen, Bema bit say, Obsadua, near artificial lady, near Wakoya Neton, Netuso or comment and one young maintenance and the two pro, hopes it winning in Tradium to the maintenance. Wo hopes in wager we artificial way abedi jefa ofro queen oh kita natural beauty atem with the pass ya go talk about punch we
manu wu ade kura mo sangofo we edi mo chi a ne ye be ka kire mo no e fe ne say school feed na mo ko sa na Akufo Addo so ba o de drip ba ya ni lande van apoy o kasa di Akufo Addo atem ni lande in the no a drip coordinator. I don't see a creative man. Hey, Moangazano, Missy, Ghana, Nangazano, Ghana for a say in India. Nanka we part win your party. Anka was a Ghana foot to Abaqua de Maum. Akufo Addo drip or the buy and there. Nilante Vanda Poyos one. I don't know yet coordinator for drip. School feeding. Go time no de buy. School feeding go 4 time no de buy. Me boy. Sabe monto abema party ayansa fu no mun create nyuma mamo amose monpe. Obi bio yedma National Health Insurance Scheme a kofo na establish National Health Insurance Scheme. Kofo na the health insurance e de buy. National Health Insurance Scheme obi bio we yedma any hospital ujina ma health insurance bia no kofo na create se adwuma no e de amamo NDC adwuma be na ma create amamo nkrofo a e da wa mo ba mo appoint mo nkrofo so mo nkoye muni bi social interventions say in creating nyuma yenye social interventions a power ebetumi aye ma yankofo yen bia ya free education ko 4 time no be from KG to JSS 3 free Akufo-Addo buy no so be for SS free mum party we mo sori amafu kenki bo ayedin ya mo bo ayedin ma kenki ma fungu a say na yetim good morning MPP members I'm sure obi bia na if anything Vivian Adio ne NDC woman organizer mo ko free school feeding hui someone MPP ne creating nyuma de mamo NDC for na moye MPP in a creating nyuma de mamo NDC for na moye ko for na be creative school feeding de mamo de ma Ghana enwe na mo ko hu akwam na de mo so mo mpanifo ntumi creating nyuma mamo MPP for in a creating nyuma de ma NDC for na moye and the more school feeding ho mani wu ade kura mo sango for we idi mo chi a na ye be ka kire mo no if any say school feeding na mo ko ho sa na Akufo-Addo so ba o de drip ba ya Nilante Van Boy o kasa didi Akufo-Addo atem Nilante ndi ono na ye a drip coordinator ono se create adwuma ama no hey mo angaza no me Ghana na angaza no Ghana fo na ese no ntia na nka mo boy party we nya party a enka wo se Ghana foto abakwa de ma wo mo Akufo-Addo drip o de buy nde Nilante Van Boy so ahwan no ono na ye coordinator for drip school feeding ko 4 time no de buy school feeding ko 4 time no de buy meboa sabe monto abema party ayansa fo no mun create nyuma mamo amose mompe obi bio ye adwuma National Health Insurance Scheme kofo na establish National Health Insurance Scheme kofo na the health insurance e de buy National Health Insurance Scheme obi bio we adwuma any hospital ujina o ma health insurance bia no kofo na create ise adwuma no e de amamo NDC adwuma be na ma create amamo nkrofo a eda wa mo ba mo appoint mo nkrofo so mo nkoye muni bi social interventions say in creating nyuma yenye social interventions a power ebetumi ayema yankofo yen bia ya free education ko 4 time no be from KG to JSS 3 free Akufo-Addo buy no so be for SS free mum party we mo sori amafu kenki bo ayedin ya mo bo ayedin ma kenki ma fungu a say na yetim good morning